Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequera and these are the headlines. Supreme Court of India strikes down electoral bonds scheme as unconstitutional in landmark verdict. Directs SBI to submit details of electoral bonds purchased since 2019. Container truck carrying AC units topples on national highway in Pedne as driver loses control in early morning accident. India dominates first day of third test match against England. Post mammoth 326 runs thanks to Rohit Sharma, Ravindra Jadeja's centuries and Sarfaraz Khan's debut half century. And now for the news in detail. A container truck transporting ACs toppled over on the national highway in Pedne during the wee hours of Thursday. The driver allegedly lost control of the heavy vehicle when it toppled over. Fortunately, there were no other vehicles or people nearby, so a major tragedy was averted. Here's more from our reporter Sandeep Kamulkar.
माझ्या फाटल्यान ही तुमकां लॉरी दिसता ती हरियाणाची बेतूलच्यान येयल्ली आनी ती हरियाणा म्हाका दिसता वयताली AC घेवन आनी इतली म्हाका दिसता सकाळचे 4 म्हणटा तो म्हणजे सकाळचे 4 सुमार म्हणटा तो कंट्रोल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाली आनी गाडी ही पडलेली आसा आनी हे तुमी म्हाज्या फाटल्यान पळयता की आमी गोवा 365 हेच्या पयलीं खूब फावटी हायलायट केल्लेले हे जे तुमकां फाटल्यान वल्त दिसता वयर म्हाज्या सारके फाटल्यान ज्या जाग्यार आतां गाडी येयल्या थंय त्या गाडये कडेन एक येदो व्हडलो स्पॉट आसा की सारको डेंजर स्पॉट जावन पडलेलो आसा आनी गोवा 365 हेच्या पयलीं खूब फावटी हायलायट केला आनी आतां पर्यंत कितलेशेच एक्सिडंट थंय जाल्लेले आसा आनी त्याच जाग्यार हेचो कंट्रोल गेला आनी हो फुडें येवन पडला कवर बी पडलेलो जाल्यार किती व्हडली ट्रॅजेडी जावं शकता आसलेली ना पुलीस एक ना कोणूच आता हे आमचे हे चलता ती आडवी जाल्या पण तेका पळोवपाक हांगा कोणूच ना आता इतलो जागो कमी आसा की थंयच्यान गाडयो येता येदा कदाचित आनी तेंच्यांनी सायनबोर्ड्स तशी कांयच लावंक ना आनी तेका लागून कॅज्युअलिटी जावं शकता आमी ते आतां तेका सांगलेलें आसा की ताळे ना जाल्यार एक कपडो तरी तांबडो बांदा नाल्यार कोण तरी रावा म्हणून कैसे कितें
गाड़ी आ रही थी उसमें साइड था जैसे अपना गाड़ी कार वाला ना
हाँ हाँ
उसकी वजह से पूरा कंट्रोल नहीं होता
न्यूट्रल में आ रहे थे ऊपर से
अरे अभी ये तो ड्राइवर ही जाने थी न्यूट्रल में थी कैसे थी लेकिन उसमें जो साइड था
ड्राइवर किधर गए
ड्राइवर इधर ही
उस गाड़ी में न्यूट्रल इंजर्ड है
इंजर्ड नहीं है जी थोड़ी
क्या है गाड़ी में
गाड़ी एसी भरी हुई है एसी
AC
मशीन है जी
मशीन कहाँ से आए
बैतूल से
बेतुल
Sandeep Kamulkar, Srishti Athanikar and Sangeeta Uli for Goa 365.
In a significant verdict, the Supreme Court on Thursday unanimously struck down the electoral bonds scheme as unconstitutional. A 5-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud delivered the judgment on a batch of pleas challenging the legal validity of the central government scheme, which allowed for anonymous funding to political parties.
The bench held that certain amendments made to the law introducing the electoral bond scheme were violative of Article 19(1)(a) of the Indian Constitution that guarantees Indian citizens the right to freedom and expression. Consequently, the bench declared Section 29(c)(1) of the Representation of People Act 1951 as amended by Section 137 of the Finance Act 2017, Section 182(3) of the Companies Act as amended by Section 154 of the Finance Act 2017 as unconstitutional.
According to clause 7.4 of the electoral bond scheme and the amendments, the information about contributions made through the electoral bond scheme is exempted from the disclosure requirements. This information is never disclosed to the voter. The purpose of securing information about political funding cannot be fulfilled by absolute non-disclosure. B. We have proceeded to apply the subsequent prongs of the double proportionality standard, assuming that the suitability prong is satisfied. Section 29 capital C of the Representation of People Act, which states that information of contributions made below rupees 20,000 in a financial year need not be disclosed, is a lesser restrictive means to achieve both the right to information and the right to informational privacy. The underlying rationale of Section 29C1 is that contributions below the threshold do not have the ability to influence decisions, and the right to information of financial contributions does not extend to contributions which do not have the ability to influence decisions. Similarly, the right to privacy of political affiliation does not extend to contributions which may be made to influence policies. It only extends to contributions made as a genuine form of political support. It is quite possible that contributions beyond the threshold of rupees 20,000 could also be a form of political support and not necessarily a quid pro quo arrangement, and contributions below the threshold could influence electoral outcomes. However, the restriction on the right to information and informational privacy of such contributions is minimal when compared to the provision of blanket non-disclosure. Thus, this lesser restrictive alternative realizes the right to information of an informed voter and informational privacy to political affiliation in a real and substantial manner. The Union of India has been unable to establish that the measure employed in clause 7.4 of the electoral bond scheme is the least restrictive means to balance the rights of informational privacy to political contributions and the right to information of political contributions. Thus, the amendment to Section 13 capital A bracket B of the Income Tax Act, introduced by the Finance Act 2017, and the amendment to Section 29C1 of the Representation of People's Act are declared unconstitutional. The question is whether this court should only strike down the non-disclosure provision in the electoral bond scheme, that is clause 7.4. The anonymity of the contributor is intrinsic to the electoral bond scheme. The electoral bond scheme is not distinguishable from other modes of contributions through banking channels such as checks, transfer through the electronic clearing system, or direct debit if the anonymity component of the stream is struck down. Thus, the electoral bond scheme 2018 will have to be struck down as unconstitutional.
Furthermore, the Supreme Court directed the State Bank of India to immediately stop the issuance of electoral bonds. The bench also ordered the SBI to submit details of all electoral bonds purchased since April 12, 2019, when the Apex Court passed an interim order on the matter till date to the Election Commission of India. Additionally, the Election Commission has been directed to publish the details of electoral bonds on its website by March 31, 2024, ensuring transparency in the electoral process. The court also ruled that any electoral bonds that have not been encashed by political parties should be returned to the bank, which will then be refunded to the purchaser. Manish Parab and Omkar Deshprabhu for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. In the midst of water scarcity in some parts of the state, a significant amount of water is going to waste in the Khatharwada village of Bicholi due to leakages in the Tilari pipeline. The pipeline has been leaking for several days, leading to massive water wastage. According to locals, a similar incident occurred last year as well. Here's our reporter Mahesh Govekar with the full story.
आमी पळयता ती तिलारी इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्टाची जी पायपलायन आसा सारकी न्हंयच्या वयरूच तातूंतल्यान कितकेशे लिटर उदक सद्या वेस्ट जायत आसा आनी हे कित्याक फुटला दर आनी प्रेशरा खातीर पडटा ते कांय अजून कळूंक ना आमकां ही WRDची पाईपलाईन न्ही, जी पाईपलाईन उदकाची सप्लाय जाता घरांनी, ती पाईपलाईन न्ही, ही इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट तिळारीचो जो आसा, जो जाटे कॉलेज कडल्यान ही पाईपलाईन डायरेक्ट हांगा चल्ली नारव्या फुडें तेवटेन. तेजे पाईपलाईन ही हांगासर उदक सद्या न्हंयेन सामकें पडत आसा आनी जे थळावे लोक आसात ते सद्या अशे हितून आसा की ही पाईपलाईन खंयची. सद्या अशें दिसता की उदक हे वेस्ट जाता. तेंचेरूय तेंच्यांनी म्हटलां की घरांनी उदक ना, पूण तेंकांय खबर ना की हे तिळारीचें उदक म्हणून. पूण घरांनी उदक ना, पूण इतके मिलियन्स ऑफ लिटर जे उदक वेस्ट जाता ताचेर प्रश्नचिन्ह सद्या आसा. कितें तरी तिळारी प्रोजेक्टाचें सुद्दां आसलें, पूण उदक वेस्ट जावप ही एक वायट गोश्ट आसा. उदक अशें वेस्ट जावपाक जायना, कित्याक तर उदक सद्या सामकें गरजेची वस्तू आसा. आनी तें उदक घरांनी ना पावलें सुद्दां जाल्यार तें उदक वाया वचपाक जायना. कित्याक तर हांगासर जे तिळारीचो प्रोजेक्ट आसा तेंचे जे ऑफिसर्स आसा तेंच्यांनी हेजेर उपाय करपाक जाय. अशें उदक हांगा वेस्ट जावपाक जायना. आमकां कळ्ळां की फाटल्या वर्सा अशेंच पडटालें बारीक, पूण ह्या वर्सा खुबशे मोठ्या प्रमाणान हांगा वेस्ट उदक हांगा जाता. आनी जें उदक सामकें न्हंयेन पडटा आनी तें सामकें वेस्ट जाता, म्हणजे न्हंयेन वता. ताचेरूच ते तिळारी प्रोजेक्टाचे कोण आसा पळय तांच्यांनी उपाय करपाक जाय. तेंचो जो प्रेशर आसा तो सद्या सांबाळपाक जाय. तातूंत जे वेस्ट जाता तें जावचें ना. पूण अशें जाताना हांगा दिसना, कित्याक हे जे आतां जे थळाव्यांनी म्हायती दिल्ल्या प्रमाणे हे पयलीं एक बारीक पडटालें, ह्या 4-5 दिसांक ते मोठ्या प्रमाणान पडटा. तुमकां दिसता फाटल्यानूच कितके मोठ्या प्रमाणान आवाज येता तो. आनी हे अशें करता तें सारकें जावपाक जाय, कित्याक तिळारीचें सुद्दां असलें जाल्यार तें उदकूच तें वेस्ट जावपाक जायना.
हांगासर एक पायपलायन येयल्ली आसा, ती तिलारीच्यान आयल्या म्हणून आयकता आमी. आनी ते तिलारीचें उदक फाटीन हें केलां, कितें केलां, सोडलां नारव्या पर्यंत वता ती. आनी मदीं कातरवाड्यान ही पायपलायन न्हंयच्यान आसा, न्हंयच्यान वता. थंयसर कितें जालां, ती कितें तरी पायप तेजें फुटलां काय कितें जालां खबर ना आमकां. आनी तें उदक वेस्ट जाता. उदक इतलें म्हटल्यार सांगपाचें हें ना, कित्याक प्रत्येक घरान आज उदकाची टंचाई जाल्ली आसा. आनी हें उदक कित्याक वता तें आमकां कांय कळना. तेन्ना हाजी चवकशी जावची ऑफिसरान. कोणी हांगा कोण ऑफिसर येवंक ना, आनी ऑफिसरांनी कोणी चवकशी करची हांगासर तें कित्याक वेस्ट जाता उदक आनी कितें तें. आनी हेजेर मातशें हें करचें, उदकाचेर मातशें हें उदक वेस्ट जाता, वाया जाता, तेजेर मातशी चवकशी करची आनी तें बंद करचें उदक.
फाटले कितले दीस
फाटले आतां कितले दीस जाले आतां उदक आतां एक म्हयनो पयलीं, 1 म्हयनो जालो बारीक आसलो, आनी आतां 4-5 दीस जाले वो चड फ्लो वता आनी वेस्ट जाता उदक. कित्याक आमकां घरान आमकां तुमी तर जाणा, आमच्या गोंयान आमकां उदक जास्त अशें टंचायत आसा, मेळयना, केन्ना मेळना. 4-4 दीस नळाक उदक आसना.
ही WRDची पाईपलाईन काय तिळारीचे?
ही WRDची अशी न्हय कशी आसा, पूण तिलारीची ती.
पण म्हाका एक सांग पळय, तुमकां आतां म्हणजे कोणी येवन कितें सांगूंक ना?
ना आमकां कोणें सांगूं ना. आमी पयलें न्ही, हे 4 दीस आतां म्हयनो जालो, कोण तरी येतले, पूण हांगा कोणें चवकशी केलीच ना.
म्हणजे ती आतां सोडल्या काय फुटल्या?
आतां काय समजा तेंच्यांनी येवन चवकशी करूंक जाय, ती फुटल्या काय ती तेजें मेंटेनन्स करूंक जाय, तेंच्यांनी पळोवपाक जाय न्ही तें. लास्ट इयर उदक वेस्ट जाता. आनी लास्ट इयर अशेंच जाल्लें, उदक वतालें म्हणून आमी आवाज केलो हांगासर आनी मागीर तें बंद केलें.
पूण तुमकां दिसता की अशें वेस्ट जावंक जायना म्हणून?
हें उदक वेस्ट जावंक जायना इतलें. कितले मिलियन्स ऑफ लिटर म्हणून येता तें न्ही. गेला तें आज आतां इतलो जो फ्लो जो वता पळय न्हू, तो मिलियन्स ऑफ म्हणून येता. तूं हांगा खावपाक एक आमी बाजारांतसून एक बॉटल हाडून जर पिवूं शकता, पूण आमकां घरान जर वॉशरुमाक जर वतलो जाल्यार खंयचे हाडटले?
महेश गोवेकर, समृता खणगांवकर and ओमकार देशप्रभू for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. On the backs of some impressive centuries from skipper Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja and a half century from debutant Sarfaraz Khan, India managed to put on a mammoth 326 runs at the end of the first day of the third test match at Rajkot.
The Englishman wreaked havoc on the Indian side, especially Mark Wood with his fiery first spell, reducing India to 33 for 3 in the first hour of the day's play. However, a 204-run partnership between Rohit Sharma and Ravindra Jadeja led to India's recovery. Mark Wood remained the peak of the bowlers for England on day 1, picking 3 crucial wickets, including that of centurion Rohit Sharma. With a solid recovery from an initial collapse and Jadeja still unbeaten on 110, India will be looking to score big on day 2. Manish Parab and Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.
In the weather, we'll have gorgeous weather to wrap up this week. Under mostly sunny skies, temperatures remain moderate and a fresh breeze from the west blows in to keep things interesting. Here's the full breakdown of what we are expecting this Friday.
To start the day, we are expecting a nice crisp morning under sunny skies. Light fog will keep a few places chilly, but all that quickly changes by the afternoon when the mercury is forecast to reach 32. Not as hot as it's been this past week, but even so, sensitive folk do need to be careful when going out. Opt for lighter clothes and carry along water or fluids to remain hydrated. Winds pick up by evening to drive away any lingering heat, and by night, even under cloudy skies, we should enjoy a cool low of 22. There are no weather warnings issued for the state. Mostly sunny skies to turn cloudy by night on Friday. Slow winds in the morning pick up into a gentle breeze by evening. Maximum and minimum temperatures on Friday 32 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius respectively. Fog likely at a few places, commuters to stay alert. No warnings issued for boat owners. Bureau Report, Goa 365 with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, Goa 365 TV. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.